What's education? Education is all-round development of a learner, in which, according to me, it involves social, emotional, physical, mental health. And that's super important for any human being. So now, are the institutes important like universities and schools? Yes, they are, because they are well organized, they are well disciplined, they are teaching students everyday life discipline, how you can manage your time, how you can manage your social skills, how you can participate in various activities, how you can put yourself in different scenarios and overcome from those things. I know these scenarios are just minor right now because a test, exam, or anything is not that important as compared to our real life problems, which we are going to see in the future. So we are putting the learners in different scenarios so they can learn how to work under pressure, how to work under anxiety, how to work in various situations so they can be better citizens and performers in their future life. Degrees, diplomas, or certificates are entry tickets for major professional jobs or career jobs. So once you are in that job, then you have to use your social, emotional, or educational skills which you learned from various institutes with your colleagues, with your seniors, or the communities you're helping. There is another question. A lot of people who were not in the schools or universities for their time when they're supposed to be there, but they are also very successful in their life. Example, Mr. Einstein or Mr. Steve Jobs. So now if you will look at their lives, and they were more than anyone else. They were super dedicated to their target. They were well disciplined. Even I would say they were disciplined like institutes, even better than institutes. So that's why they reached to their goals. So anybody can reach to those goals if they are self-motivated, self-regulated, self-disciplined, and they can manage their time. That's the most important part. And they also believe in their goals, in their achievements, so they are going to happen. But if I'm going to lose the hope in the beginning, then I think that's where we are losing. We are feeling we are under pressure, we are feeling anxiety, and in general, most of the times I'm saying, if you will surrender before the fight, you are not the winner. So look at the soldiers. They are preparing themselves 24/7 and almost for whole life of the service. So if they are going to serve the country for 15 years, 10 years, 20 years, they have training, they are honing their skills every day, and they're keeping ready themselves for any future challenges, any fights. Maybe they're just working 2, 3, or 4 or 5% of their lifetime in the fights, but they are preparing every day. So there are a lot in the education system which we can explore and we can get in. So that's why I thought this is a need in the community, and we can help people to understand how education working for them and how education is working for their loved ones, how they can help them out. It doesn't matter you are in math, chemistry, physics, or any other subject. We will try to touch all these topics. To overcome from all these barriers, anxieties, or the pressures, we are trying to introduce our channel. It's Math Mark 99, and we will try to bring more content-based videos, more videos how we can reduce pressure, anxiety in everyday uh, life of a learner, and how we can help them better as a guardian, as a parent, as a friend, as a colleague. So we will try to give you more tools to do all these things. Stay tuned. It's a broad topic we can't cover in one video. So definitely more videos, more good videos, full content is coming soon on this channel. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.